Hi guys, my name is Lisa. Welcome to my first video. On this video, I am going to be sharing with you how to prepare garnish sauce using leftover chicken. Guys, this recipe is so easy to try. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. For this recipe, we will need the following. A full list of the ingredients used for this recipe will be down the description box below. Do well to check. Be sure to wash your carrots, cabbage, green pepper, green beans before you start chopping. This is very essential so as to remove all loose dirt from your vegetables. This is how your vegetables are supposed to look after chopping. Green beans, cabbage, spring onion, bell pepper, and carrots. Set your vegetables aside and marinate your chicken by blending pepper, onion, and garlic. Add a bit of chopped onion to your chicken. Then pour the blended pepper, onion, and garlic mixture to your chicken. Add a bit of thyme, curry, and some salt to taste. I also like to add Benny flavored chicken stock because I love the taste and aroma it gives to my chicken. But you could also use Maggi cubes or any kind of preferred chicken seasoning you have. Mix evenly with a spoon or clean washed hands. Cover and allow to marinate for 30 minutes or more in the refrigerator. Grease a clean pan with a bit of cooking butter. Add your chopped carrots. Stir fry the chopped carrot for a few seconds. Also fry separately with a bit of cooking butter the green beans, spring onion, and bell pepper. Now it's time to take out the marinated chicken from the fridge. Note guys, the longer your marination process, the more tastier your chicken broth gets. Cover your chicken and cook till tender for about 20 minutes. Now if you watch closely, you will notice I didn't add any water to cook the chicken. This is because there is usually enough water in the chicken to steam it. But if you encounter difficulty in this process, it's okay to add a little bit of water to cook your chicken to tender. For the purpose of frying, separate the chicken from the broth and set the broth aside. Using a clean pan, preheat your vegetable oil with a bulb of chopped onion. The onion helps to flavor the oil and gives your chicken a lovely taste and nice aroma. Fry your chicken, flipping both sides constantly to ensure it is evenly fried. Set your chicken aside after frying. Using a clean cup, mix 3 tablespoons of corn flour with a bit of water. Stir evenly to avoid the formation of clog particles. Now for this recipe, I'll be using corn flour as my thickener of choice. But you can also use Irish potato if corn flour isn't readily available. Add the corn flour mixture to the chicken broth. Stir for a few seconds to mix evenly and then cover to thicken and simmer for about a minute or two. Stir the thickened chicken broth and then add the green beans, carrots, bell pepper, and mix evenly. You could add a bit of water to loosen the mixture if you feel it's too thick. Let it simmer for a few seconds and then add your spring onion, sweet corn, and mix thoroughly. Add the diced cabbage, and then cover to cook for about 5 minutes. After cooking for 5 minutes, add the fried chicken and then give a final stir. Cover to simmer for about a minute or two and then serve. I'll be having mine with some rice and vegetable salad. What would you like to have this sauce with? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Arila channel to get more amazing recipes.